Hello everyone, in this video we are going to talk about capital account. Generally, government's accounts consist of two parts. One is the revenue account and the other is the capital account. For revenue account, you can refer to the link in the description box. Let's begin. So whenever we say capital account, it has two parts. One is the receipts part, that is the credit part, and the other is the expenditure part, that is the debit part. So what do we mean by capital receipts? Capital receipts mean any kind of inflow of income or inflow of money that is occurring due to sale of assets or either due to loans. So basically any kind of income or money that is flowing in the government accounts when it is selling an asset. So government has an asset, it decides that it will sell it in the market. Suppose it is a PSU. So government goes in the market, it sells the PSU and it gets some money. So this money will be accounted in the government's capital receipts account. This is one kind of income. Then another thing, another way through which money can flow into government's account is through loans. So government decides that it will take a loan for a particular project, say for building roads. So what is happening? Money is flowing in, although it has to pay it later, but for the time being what is happening is that money is flowing in. So this is recorded in the capital receipts side. So now we move to the capital expenditure side. It refers to all the expenditure that is incurred by the government. And which kind of expenditure is it? It is that expenditure that is incurred to buy assets. So when we buy assets, what happens? It's an expenditure. Money is flowing out of the government's account. So that's why it is an expenditure to the government, and it is recorded in the capital expenditure side. Why it is recorded in the capital account and not on the revenue side? Because it deals with assets, and in the revenue account we notice that whatever deals with assets and loans is not recorded in the revenue account. So to which account it goes to? It goes to the capital account. So now, and what other kind of expenditures go to the capital account? So now what happens? Government repays loan. So government is giving loan to somebody. It is not taking loan, it is giving loan to some another country or some another firm or any other party outside of the government. So what is happening? It is some amount of money is flowing out of the government's balance sheet, and where it is recorded? It is recorded in the capital account and on the capital expenditure side. So these two things comprise capital expenditure. So now we will see some examples of what goes into the receipt side or expenditure side and in the capital account and the revenue account. So suppose that that government owns a PSU and it issues some shares. So what is happening? When a government is issuing share, it is kind of raising money from the market. It is, people will buy its share and give it some money. So what is happening? Income or money is flowing in. So first of all, it is on the receipt side, and now this money, it is a kind of loan. It has to repay it people back. It is not like if it is taken, then the government has no liability against that. So government has to repay this loan at a future date. So it is a kind of loan. That's why it is recorded in the capital receipt side of the capital account. So if you notice these items on the capital account are generally non-reoccurring. So you see, whenever government is taking a loan, it is not that every year it takes a loan. Whenever government is selling an asset, it is not that it sells an asset every year. It only happens abruptly. It's not that it is happening after a certain period of time. So that's why it is non-reoccurring in nature, and all the entries in the capital account are non-reoccurring in nature. So this can be a classifying thing for all of you. Any item that is non-reoccurring in nature goes to the capital account. And for better understanding of these accounts, do refer to the video in the description box for revenue account. Thank you so much. If you like the video, do hit the like button.